NASA publishes clip of strange sounds on Mars. October 2, 2019. NASA scientists have published new audio clips of the strange sounds on Mars, captured by the InSight spacecraft on the Martian surface. NASA publishes clip of strange sounds on Mars. The spacecraft recorded the low roars of so-called Marsquakes and a symphony of other sounds from another world. The InSight seismometer has detected over 100 events, but only 21 are considered strong candidates for tidal waves. The rest may be something else. Scientists released an audio sample, which was enhanced for humans to hear, on Tuesday. One photo taken on Mars without desk cover. Credit NASA. The French seismometer is so sensitive that you can hear the Martian wind in the movements of the probe's robotic arm. Konstantinos Charalambous of Imperial College London, who helped provide the audio recordings, said it was exciting, especially in the beginning, to hear the first vibrations of the sensor. You wonder what's really happening on Mars while InSight stays in the open landscape. InSight arrived on Mars last November and recorded its first seismic crash in April. You can listen to the clips below. Headphones are recommended. Audio starts around 00:25's. Video youtu.be/m9ccuw9niqg.